Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can sign in into your CapCut account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all you need to do is scroll through your homepage and tap open the CapCut app. So once you tap open the CapCut app, it will start to boot itself up. So once the booting process is over, you will be redirected to this kind of page, which will then lead you to the home page. Now simply tap on the me icon. Here you can find the sign in options. So now you can sign in through any of the ways given. Here we have shown you by signing in through the Google account. So once you press on sign in with Google, you can choose a Google account of your choice and then you will successfully get signed in into the CapCut app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.